Akshaya Kumar is the director of Crisis Advocacy at Human Rights Watch, and she joins me now from New York. Great to have you with us. So this is a very stark report, isn't it, accusing Israeli officials of apartheid and persecution. And to my knowledge, it's the first time Human Rights Watch has directly accused Israel of crimes against humanity.
That's right. This is the most serious report that our organization has issued. We have drawn legal conclusions based on international law and based on our finding of facts over years. And what we find is that crimes against humanity are taking place, and two specific crimes, as outlined in the law, require greater attention: the crime of apartheid and the crime of persecution. We don't say this lightly, but it's important that the world confront the reality that Palestinians face and call it what it is.
Israel, of course, denies these claims. It also has the support of the United States. So despite all the evidence of repressive policies, of settlements, of the Gaza blockade, etc., it's never had to face consequences. So what are you proposing can be done?
Well, our report has a series of recommendations, but we believe that any change will only come by calling the situation what it is. And so the reality of the fact that settlers can fill their swimming pools with subsidized water while Palestinians have to queue in line waiting for water from trucks, the reality that there have been between 2016 to 2018 100 times more housing demolitions authorized than housing permits, the reality of thousands of Palestinians being detained arbitrarily and without charge. We can't look at these as individual incidents. We need to consider them within the broader system of oppression with an intent to dominate that we are perceiving here. And the best way to address a crime is to take it to a court. So we're calling on the International Criminal Court, which has jurisdiction that's been confirmed just a few weeks ago, to include these crimes in its investigation. It's time.
Is the ICC prosecutor likely to take this on, though, because it normally investigates crimes at the behest of another state?
Well, in this case, the Palestinian Authority, which the court has recognized has jurisdiction over the occupied territories, including West Bank, Gaza, and East Jerusalem, has called on the court to look at the situation. And so the court's chamber has confirmed that there is, in fact, jurisdiction with the Palestinians' call for this review. And so the court is free to move forward here.
Akshaya Kumar, thank you very much indeed for joining us.